Hey guys, today we're gonna make exploding bags, but you gotta stay tuned. Okay guys, so we got the thing done, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. It's actually not that hard. You need white vinegar, food coloring, Ziploc bags, and baking soda. So, you dye the color of the white vinegar, the color that you want to dye it. So I'm gonna do red and yellow. So get the dyes in, and I'm gonna mix it up. However, so if you want to mix these up, you're just gonna shake it lightly to get the colors to mix. Unless you want to tie that. Does that look orange to you, Mother?
That looks orange to me.
It might not look orange to you guys, but trust me, it's actually kind of like a light orange. So, yeah. Woohoo! Okay, so then you pour it in the Ziploc bag and you twist it 2 times. And then you take the clothespin and you pin it on to the little twist until you get it like that. And then you see this open thing up here that kind of looks like a bowl. You gotta pour the baking soda into there. And then you have the bag. And so when you're ready to but remember to close this. And when you're ready for it to explode, you gotta pin this and pull it off. And that's how you do it. And my mom's helping me here, but she's mostly just here to help. So yeah. And this food coloring that we're using is dyeing my fingers. So hope you guys enjoy that. Guys, we got the new cup of vinegar and the baking soda. And this time we're going to do plain red and see if it comes out pinkish. Pinkie pie. Pinkie pie color. Probably come out pinkie pie color. Maybe baby pink. We don't know. Hey, Mommy, what happens if you mix green and red together?
I think you get brown or gray.
Nah.
They don't work well together.
I want to make purple.
Okay.
Do
you know what colors make purple?
Yeah. Blue and red.
Yep.
So, this just came out red, but that's okay. Because the more colors, the more fun you have with these experiments. So now we're going to do this. Pick it up, stand back, and watch the explosion. Just in the nick of time. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it all, and stay tuned for more.